friends, welcome to my channel Solving Techniques. If you're new there, go ahead and subscribe our channel for more daily uploads. So today in this video I'll show you and tell you how you can downgrade your iPhone. So you can see, go to general, about, and you can see I am using iOS 15.3.1. So if I want to downgrade my iPhone, so if you want to downgrade your iPhone, because iOS 15.2.1 jailbreak is upcoming, so many people want to downgrade their iPhones. So if you want to downgrade your iPhone, you can see my iPhone is now on 15.3.1. so here we go and see how you can downgrade your iPhone. Because iOS 15.3.1 is signed iOS for all iPhones, so let's go how you can downgrade your iPhone. So open your browser on your laptop. I give this link in the description below. I'll select my iPhone. I have iPhone access, so I click on there. So you can see these are my signed iOS. So iOS 15.2 beta is also signed iOS for my iPhone. I want to download this, and after this I want to install and restore from iTunes and downgrade my device. You want to downgrade, and you can see my iPhone access. So if you want to downgrade, first you need to install. So you need to download customize iOS device profile. So after this you can downgrade your iOS device, and after download, because of customize iOS device, if you want to install already profile, your iDevice is not freeze on lock screen and nothing gonna happen. So many iPhones are stuck on freeze screen and brick screen, so you can save from your device because of downgrade. So you need to download iOS customized device. After this you can downgrade your device and download your signed iOS. So you can see my iPhone access has iOS 15.2.1 beta version available, and this iOS is signed. So I need to downgrade my iPhone for the jailbreak. If you want to downgrade your iPhone for the jailbreak, upcoming jailbreak update, so you need to downgrade with this method. So thanks for watching Solving Techniques. Stay tuned for more.